Hi, this is Esperanza Walsh, and this is Art from the Heart at St Augustine's Church. Today we're doing the session remotely again due to the lockdown because of coronavirus. So today what we're doing would be glazing, or you may also call it layering. So this is when one color is painted on top of another. In watercolor, when we paint the first layer, we have to let it dry completely before we can layer it with another color. So let's start with our first activity. So the first activity is an exercise to show the effect of layering. We start by painting the paper yellow. So in this exercise, I'm using lemon yellow. And then just painting it randomly. There we go. Now we have to let this dry before we can paint over it. Okay. So we need to let it dry. Once the yellow paint has dried completely, we put another layer of paint. In this particular instance, I'm painting it with red. So with red here. And we can see the difference between the regular red paint on white paper and the red paint on the area that we painted yellow. Now, same thing is, we have to let it dry. Okay, let me just paint some more here. Okay, now we have to let it dry. So it's now dry, and in the area which are dry, we're now going to paint blue on it. So blue, let me just get some blue paint. Okay, so first thing is, we want to see the effect of blue over the red area. We want to see blue by itself right there. Sorry, and there we go. And we also want to see blue on the green area. I'm sorry, blue on the yellow area, which will make it a bit greener, and blue here on this area where we painted yellow and red over. So now we just let this dry and see the effect of layering later on. And here we go, the dried art piece, or sample rather, of how layering works using primary colors. So we see how layering affects the color when we paint our art piece. So thank you very much. Again, thank you very much. And looking forward to see you on the next activity.